black screen. Okay, and now okay. Source. Okay, that's source, and that would be browser. Right. Source. Oh, your capture device. No. Windows. Okay. There it is. Capture audio. Okay. Okay. Alright. Boom. Boom. Alright. Let's see. I think I got it right. First live stream. Okay. We're gonna do this. Mhm. Oh. Alright. What am I doing? Okay, cool. Alright. Discord gotta go. Alright, well, this is the first live stream and trying to get used to putting this thing together. Bear with me for a few moments. Gotta bring a few tabs up. Oh snap, it's kind of creepy hearing my voice. But alright, Forex Factory. See what we have here. It's a little late to do this. This week was kind of a bad week trading. We had an onslaught of news coming out, and the market pretty much went sideways. Let's see, Dixie. Even though Dixie's dumping, SPY is pumping somewhat. Nope, not even. It's all time high, but not all time high. But yeah, SPY pretty much at all time high, and Dixie dumping. But as you guys can see, we have way more red than green. There's something wrong with this economy. Trading is just the reds or green, the greens or red. Just awful. But well, this is not meant to be financial advice. I am your boy Myriad, and I'm going to do a few chart analysis and provide thought process on a few stock picks I may be picking up this coming week, and we'll see from there. All right, one moment and be right back. Get myself some water, get comfy, just set up the stream. Okay, let's look at our SPY. I'll be right back. some tunes, but first, hold on. All right, Malcolm, that should do it, right? My bad, y'all. I'm just setting up this channel, getting everybody to lock in, putting things together. right. Boom. I think we got most of the stuff put together now. All right. Let's start with some analysis. We got about an hour left. Okay. Kind of toppy feeling. All right, guys. First thing first, we like to talk. I would like to talk about the indications. Indicate. There's indicators that I use. All right. First thing first, I like to use the moving averages. You know, the 13, the 9, the 5, the 50, the 200. On the day and the weekly. These are during the day, on the day. All right. And you know, a few lines. You know, draw lines, trend lines, support resistance, and also I use the Trader's Reality vector candles. Well, that you can obtain that by going to the Trader's Reality .com page, or you know, or on YouTube. You know, believe Trader's Reality Tino has the link on one of his descriptions, and you can follow through. Also, a great channel to follow as well. All right. But yeah, what are we looking at? So I'm getting a whooping on SPY. Not really on SPY, but it's more like a few trades I took, and you know, this week, which I'm not even supposed to be trading this week due to all the news and nonsense going on, the manipulations. So, but the following week, the coming week, shouldn't be much of the nonsense going on. As you can see, no earnings, no news, no dividends, none of this nonsense. So we're gonna start by looking at the dollar. You know, start the day by looking at the dollar. And that's end of the day. Okay. Dollar's kind of dumping. A little shoulder. Sorry, went in there. So dollar got some more downside, and if the dollar breaks the 200 daily moving average, you can see the dollar probably gonna be in this area right here, where there's some liquidity where they could quickly grab. So around 102 to 101, and that's within the next 30 days or so. You can see the dollar dumping fast. And let's see here what happened today. Mostly flat. Okay, cool. Are they expecting Powell to speak? We go over there. That's 18, 19. Oh my God. Alright, guys, we got a problem. So this Sunday, they're gonna manipulate the living Jesus out of you. Alright? Whatever you have, well, this is not financial advice, but I would just suggest to leave whatever call options or put options. I don't do the day trading face to face. I do swing trades, but if there's a opportunity that shows up during the day, I would navigate and, you know, grab that real quick. All right, let's see. All bonds pumping. Okay. The bonds, all right. That means that's today. Kind of dumping. And it's a little toppy feeling. Yeah. There's a problem. There's a problem. Look at this nonsense. I can easily see this come right back down here, given that it's, you know, it's a little bit oversold. Most people would say overbought, but just looking at it, it's a little bit oversold doing a retest. Because, you know, when it pumps, they selling. When it dumps, they buying. Because somebody has to buy when they sell, you know. And somebody has to, you know, sell when they buy. Weird, alright. Not to confuse you guys. Let's see what's going on. The yield. Bounce of 200, and the reactor here seems to be pumping. When yield's pumping, stock market down. Sorry, this. No, I don't make it. Yep, 2 years pumping. We're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have the problem. And if by, let's see what we have here. If they yield the 2 year close above 4.8, we got a problem. If you close above 4.8, problem. That means coming Monday, if Powell don't do his job on Sunday, we can see the stock market go straight down. It's gonna rip to the downside. Volatility, let's see what's going on. VIX. Okay, let's do this real quick. Yeah, this sucks. I don't like it. I don't like it. VIX finally going to the bottom of that range. What, since December? The market is gonna crash, everybody. Cause why is it so damn low? Unless this keeps dumping, which means only select few stocks will be pumping now. We got a problem. Why am I looking at this? What the hell? What the hell? That's gonna crash. Anyway, back. Nasdaq pumping. Okay, here's the JPY. Dollar yen. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. What are they doing? Okay, the yen needs to do some. The yen really needs to do some. Broadridge Financial. The fuck? Why am I trading? It's green. It's gonna pump probably all the way to here. Already recovered this area. Yeah. So got a little pump, probably retrace here. Already did. I hit its head over there. See how much. 2%, 3%. Not interested. And that one's heading to close the gap. There's gonna be resistance at this level here. And how long you got to go? Let's see here. Oh, 5%. 13%. And 20%. Okay. Do not like that. There's a resistance here as well. We need some serious firepower to break to that level. Alright, Q's. Q. Topping feeling. Yep. Toppy feeling. But there's still some momentum in the MACD. Everything is looking to keep ripping higher. So let's see. Yeah, might pull back slightly, maybe to this level. Yep, to this level around here, 445. Closing the little bit of gap here between these two. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it. This little gap that didn't finish closing. Guess giving themselves a breather to run. But all this hasn't been a good week for me, y'all. Got my butt handed to me, as I said, beginning of the stream, because I was trading time frame I had no business, you know, trading. Uh, I was supposed to be out this week, but gambling addict. I'm back. It's like I need my hit. I need the fix, right? So this is my first stream. This is also to keep me accountable during my trades. And if you guys make some money, even though it's not the purpose of this stream or the streams to comes, it's not for you guys to be making money. If you guys happen to make money, well, so be it. Tip me. I'm not going to be ashamed to say that. Not in this climate and economy. All right. So yeah, the purpose of this stream is for me to hold myself accountable when I take a trade, and especially when I know I'm not supposed to be taking trades, and hopefully this could replace the hit I get when I do good or do bad. And yeah, this is paper trading. This is just a trash talk. This is not supposed to be an in-depth, but if you guys got some time, just hang out with me. I don't mind. Me do not mind. So let's see here. SPY reversing, closing. Okay. BTC. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, BTC. I see you. If Bitcoin is pumping, which means Wolf. Something's afoot. Wolf, well, if you don't close above this line, it's gonna crap. It's gonna, coming Monday you'd be die. Let's see. You know what? I might do it. I might just do it. 31% on Wolf, and almost guaranteeing to. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Don't play. Don't play. I'll take it. 12%. Okay. 25. And the liquidity pool is right here. Don't play. Look for some more confirmation. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, we in. We got liquidity to the downside because, vector candles, something about vector candles, they always like to recover vector candles. Sometimes they recover them completely. Sometimes they recover them halfway. Sometimes they recover 3/3, 3/4 of the candle. But based on what they recover, it gives you some more information on what they are likely to do. So, green vector, red vector, blue vector, red vector. They all have their meaning. And for more instruction, I'm not going to be sitting here and act like I'm an expert at this, really. But just for my brief, short understanding of it, vector candles gets recovered. That's the basics of it. If you want in details, go to Traders Reality, follow Tino, one of his live stream, and you'll get the gist of what's going on. But from what I'm seeing here, Wolf is dumping. Wolf is going to the shitter, which doesn't make sense if Bitcoin is pumping. Something is going on. All right. Let's see here what we have here. These are possible plays. And for this trade confirmation needs to be above 96 cents to enter long, but preferably 98 cents. If you're above 98 cents, I'm along that, and I need to remove this because given that's below this, it might keep dropping further. And yep, if this had closed today, global MoFi metaverse, yeah. If that closed above like 98 cents today, coming Monday, I would have been balls. You get the gist? Dip in there. All right. Open door technology. It's a rejection around the reactor, but it did close the gap. It's a bit undecided. The rejection today was due to whatever news. Judge revive class action against Open Door. Oh, right. They're getting sued. Okay. See here. 42%. It's a 42% play, which you might get rejected at these two level here. Maybe here again. Bad play, but still bullish. If you do take this play, I would say might take a period of 41 days. That's not 41 days. Smoking crack. Oh my god. 41 days. Yeah, I would say within you would have to give it a month at least if you're going to long this at this spot, and you would have to leave this long. I'm talking about me, paper trading. I would have to leave at this level right here. If you're above my SMA, I'm long. If you're below it, I'm short. And especially these three over here. I use these three. If you're above them, long. Below them, short. Alright? I don't make it too difficult, especially the blue one. That usually represent the 9, 10 day moving average. Who cares? I use odd numbers, but the 9, it's something I got from Mr. Bravo himself. Same name droppy, but you might want to follow this dude as well. Just get information, and while we at it, might as well follow the Maverick of Wall Street. Subscribe, whatnot, to them. It's good information, and I don't care about sharing that. Anyway, let's see. That broke up. Okay, this nonsense. Man, I was in this trade a few weeks ago, I believe. Yep. I was in it. I remember getting in here, right here. Even though that wasn't usually the way I trade stuff, but yep. I got in here there, and I left right around. No, actually, I was shorting it. My bad, guys. My bad. Can be short. I definitely long this thing. It's 1, 2, 3. Last week. Yep. This is it. I was short. Here. Got off here. Yep. Got off here. Yep. I was short from this area to this area. Gamma clap me. Because although I was right, they didn't make enough. Neo, that's bearish. Very fucking bearish. And it seems like it might start heading this way. Technically not too bearish because it could pump this way. That's an odd range. If it breaks here with a vector candle, we can assume that's gonna recover this one as well, which would give it a 17% increase if you do break this. If you do come back down here, if you break the 50, 5-6%. Yep, that would be a short. That would be a short validly across the SMAs, even though they are laggard, but they still hold information. Just laggard, not done and tested. It's incredible rejection of the lows here, but that's a risky short. MACD still positive. You can easily get wrecked. Can easily fake you out one more time here and then blast on your ass. Careful now. See, rejection of the 50 above the 9. So this one is a trade that's waiting for confirmation coming Monday, and you would have up to 2 months. Really? Okay, so far I'm gonna put a gold and not on you, 'cause I will be trading you. Let's see if you get potential. Oh, I was trading it earlier too. It did what I wanted to do. Blast it with a vector candle just to be rejected by the 200 in the reactor. This is sickness, yo. This is sickness. I was on that trade, ladies and gentlemen. I was on that trade. I probably got markers somewhere talking about my entries. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Talking about my entry. Why is it? Are you fucking kidding me? That was my entry. Yeah, that trade scared the living Jesus out of me. Yep. That trade had scared the living Jesus out of me. But let me delete that. Remove drawings. Cool. Based on the information we have here, so far it could be bullish coming Monday if they don't bullshit. Look at this nonsense. Alright, let's see. Let's do a few more drawings, ladies and gentlemen. This could be easily bear flag. This could easily. Alright. Tracing, we're doing lines, people. We're doing lines. Let's see, what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. You gotta carefully draw your lines. I mean, am I channeling? Okay. Once this cross this, that would be premature. I'm gonna just leave it as a traditional blue. It's not ready yet. It's not ready to be traded. Now that's a wedge. I think ready. Alright. Okay, let's see where the money's at. Money here. Money definitely here. Yeah, I don't trust it. Money somewhat here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What are you doing here? Are you money? Hmm. Can't quite tell. Hmm. I'm being lied to. Or you money? Alright, undecided. Where's money? One, two. They recovered the money. They grabbed their money right there. These comes. They do. You guys don't believe me, right? Look. And you can go to Traders Reality for confirmation. But look at it. Nasty work. Nasty work. And they covered the gap as well. They took their money and covered the gap. Nasty work. But money here. That's enough. Drawings, let's see. Potential. Let's put one more line here. Why not? Just to get in appropriate, let's see, once you cross this, 19, 34%. Alright. We got that. But given that there won't be any news for at least August till August, we'll know for sure. It's around election time. We got here bullish, cool, but earnings might fucking send it to hell. Cause every time they pump it, they recovered it. So why would this be any different? Alright? How you gonna pump on the 200 line? By the way, these lines or liquidity? You know, it's liquidity where the money's at. Might as well put it all the way down here. You guys should be aware of these. So be aware that it could bounce on any of these points. But if it could get there, why not there? But it's stocks. You can't ever make sense out of them. No one knows what the price would do. Let's see. Boom, 17. Boom, 40. Boom, you broke. Boom, and here goes your homeless. Okay. Okay. Looking to be a great bear. Here's my problem, guys. See, this the gaps, right? Who thought this was a great idea to just, you know, when most people go to sleep or the markets close, we still do our business. This is shady. This right here, it's shady. That's why I like crypto. At least this it's 24/7. I'm not gonna get some nonsense like this. Even though they do try it in crypto. Yeah, for those who knows, no. And that being said, I need to get out of a few trades just now. Okay, we had Rivian. Actually, that's a good long. They recovered this already. They recovered that. Yep. I would stay away though. I would not long this. There's money up the top. Already drew the line. You know, if you guys want to have access to these lines, you're gonna have to just, you know, hit your boy up. See this? When you draw lines, they have to respect them. They kind of screwed me. You know, they kind of have to respect the lines, you know? These are gangster lines. Bad man. These lines shoots. Okay. I I should have shorted Paramount. Got close. Wanted to do it. I should have. You see how tough these lines are? These lines been drew them for, it's been weeks. They've been there for weeks. My guy. See this? And it's gonna head here. Where do I have lines? Alright. Let's see. Do I have a few trade expiring today? Starting next week, I'm not dealing with none of this nonsense. The same 17. Okay, I'm taking my L's for the week. I'm getting out of low liquidity stuff and I'm gonna build this portfolio back up. No longer getting bullied by these nonsense. Sell to close. Hold on, y'all. The craziest fake out ever. Today's the 17th. Yeah. Yep. All of them expiring today. It's $18. Yep. Gamma's cooking me. I'm getting cooked. This is sell to close. Market. Yeah, I'm getting rid of all these. Sell to close. Market. This nonsense. I'm not keeping any more negativity in my life. This thing is poison. Okay. All right. Today wasn't a bad day, y'all. I should buy some Walgreens, but I know Dividend day will bring it down, and that's coming what, Monday. I hate this. But anyway, I got off my stuff. Let me go back and do this projection for y'all so I can get along with my life. Okay, let's see what we got going on. I mean, bitch. This thing is worthless. Fucking A. Zero point 0.13. Oh my god. Okay. Mom, I love you. That's a couple $100 today. Oh my god. Where was I? Pair. Yeah, I wasn't there. This nonsense. This is still bullish. This should be bearish. Yep, this is bearish. My bad, y'all. I'm bugging. And bullish. Almost bearish. Almost bearish. It's getting there, but not playing with us. That's bearish. Ew. Ew, brother. Ew. Ew. What's going on here? Nonsense move. Okay. Houston, we got a problem. So it dumps. It completed the dump, right? So it can easily grab the liquidity here, come straight back down, which I'm not seeing why it would do such a thing. It moves nicely. Let's see how it trades during. By the way, this is how you guys need to find to know if you need to get into a project. Don't do the same thing, Hail Mary and Jason, and just jump in a trade because the chart looks good. You have to drop on the minute chart to see the nonsense. All right, it's not badly traded. There's definitely not a lot of liquidity in there. Yep, it's not too bad, but the liquidity is a little off. I would stay away from that. Yeah, this is no liquidity. This is what is this? What are we doing? What are we doing? Yeah, I'm not doing this. Let me go back to the daily. Daily look like solid candles, and then go drop down to the minute. You don't even know what's going on. What is this? What is this? Come on. Come on. So you mean to tell me it started here, dumped, came back up? Come on. Stop the fucker. And I marked it. Why am I looking at some nonsense? I did traded it. I traded. No, I did. My bad, y'all. Bad. Ooh, would have made my money if I had stayed. Alright. I've been waiting for this thing to dump. I've been waiting for it to dump. Only confirmation I need is for it to be below these 3 lines. And then we money. Technically below these 2. Fuck the third one. Oh, Mara. What was I doing on Mara? On the daily, previous candle closed above SMA price test the bottom of the range. Went above SMA price below 200, but rising towards the 200. Notice price bounce around the 1 hour. Oh, I DD'd the fuck out of Mara. Okay. The fuck? Oh, that. Come on now, dog. Come on now, dog. Come on now, dog. Entry. Stop. Come on now, though. Let's move this to the side. Yep. I ain't get stopped. I ain't get stopped. You mean, you know, you're gonna come here and know how to do things like these, you know? Just come here. That's when we do real studies on something. We do real studies. Real numbers with real nonsense. Respect my lines, bro. Lines that were, I probably drew them a long time ago. I don't know. That should have been a red vector candle, but given that wasn't a red vector candle, pop back up on their ass. What you talking about? And now, ladies and gentlemen, waiting for Mara to be at this level again to see if I'm going short or buy. Houston. That's a dump. And did not complete the. Okay. Oh no, that's a hard trade. I'm not doing this. It's a hard trade. So they're gonna somebody gonna sit down and tell you like you know Macy's can drop down. Let's see. Come on, 44% in 3 weeks. I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it can't happen. I'm not saying it. And coming Monday, this might be bearish. Maybe in the next 3 minutes. We'll find out. I don't like the way the reactor is pointing up. 200 is pointing up. But the MACD is not flipping. Might as well put this. That's bear. We'll know. Monday, this is a drop. You. Okay. Alright, gangster. If you don't close above this, me shorting. There you go. In fact, you're already letting me know there's money at the bottom here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Easy 10%. Fucking around. And that's a rejection. Profit. 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 And it has to come down here to close the gap. So is there money up top? Money at the top. There's money at the top. Oh, there's money at the top. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that. It's too much stress. It did hit the profit targets right here. As you can see, the lines do not lie. But I just drew it. Oh, here's some nonsense. We got some drawings. What was I on? Type of acid. Took the trade. Fucking A. What a legend. What a legend. To the trade daily below this. Yeah. Close. Gap. Who did not close gap? I went short. Poof. Killed it. And I was gone. And I was looking for some more profit like a degenerate. Looking for some more profit. What a degenerate, man. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, hold on, love. Hold on. Hey, wait a minute. The gap closes here. Oh, I need to pay close attention to you. Very close attention. So, if you're able to close the gap here, 377, you can do 10% if you close the gap. And how many days till dividend? 18th of June, 1 month. Huh. Okay. Odd. Okay. I'm not saying that's not weird.